What did it go up to? Did the Cosworth sell?
It didn't go up yet.
Oh, okay, very good. What day is it going up?
Today, shortly.
Cool, cool. Cosworth Vega. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Spring Carlisle auction. Just checking out some of the cars which are going to go through the auction. 41 Caddy. My gosh, Series 60. No reserve hour. This one will sell. That Mitchell touch, that is beautiful. I love that roof line. That was so influential. Monte Carlo SS, the arrow back. There's the original, sold originally for $17,500, which was really something else. That actually was not that bad. 305 high output. Let's see, all sorts of goodies. What kind of extras do we have? 75th anniversary. Air conditioning. Tilt. Doors open well. The interior looks good. Full power on the inside. Let's brighten it up. There we go. Let's see what she goes for. I love the oh my gosh, I'm doing good. The interior cloth with that velvet. You guys will correct me. 64 Comet 260 power steering automatic, 31,000 miles, one repaint. Interesting. Of course, we have our Vets. This is about 64, pardon me, 64 Vet. Let's see what's on her. She's got a 350 V8, 4-speed vintage air. Okay, so it's not original. She's been definitely repainted. All here on the interior. But I'll tell you, depending on the price, folks, everything's dependent on the price. 86 Fiero GT, 10,000 original miles. We're going to cover a whole bunch of stuff, so have patience. There's going to be a lot of stuff that you're going to see. Pam, cover that, cover that. V6, loaded sunroof, rear spoiler, suede interior. Thank you, suede. 10,000 original miles, original books and window sticker. Let's see what it goes for. And of course, the 57, nice little rod. I gotta check this rat over here. Got a lot of trucks. I like that Packard over there next to the Maserati. No rhyme, no reason with what's going through here. This thing is just so insane. I had to, all truck hour. Okay, looks like an S10. This thing's just a sick little puppy. What do we have under the hood? We have nice little 6-cylinder, looks like a 6. No, V8, okay. Oh my gosh. What the devil? Oh, okay, I thought it was cracked manifolds. Very, very strange. It is V8. 305 automatic. Runs and drives okay. Oh, I love the visors over here. Brighten that up. Here we go. Everything's plastered and welded on. Oh my. This is great. This is hilarious. Oh, what an interior. That is hilarious. Leave it to a rat, folks. Leave it to a rat. Kilroy was here and got tetanus. Great stuff. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Spring Carlisle auction. We're just taking a quick walkabout here of all the cars. This is just a few of them, a sampling. Check out this Dodge. It's about 68, 69. Let's see, 71 D100. And let's see what we've got there. 318. Probably an automatic. No, manual transmission. Cool beans. Look at all the CB and such. Oh, that's great. And amazing original paint survivor. Let's see. 318 4-speed. Ordered new by the state of Montana. Lives in Yellowstone Park, where it served until 2015, making it the longest owned state truck in history. Garage kept. Pretty cool. Nice. Actually, closes nice. That is not bad at all. That's unusual. That's the Nissan 240Z convertible. Those were actually a conversion. Here's the F350. Absolutely crazy, crazy. Cleaning up the trucks. There's no rhyme or reason to where I'm going. I see something interesting, I'll pop over. And yes, I like the unusual. These were intriguing. They were conversions. Nice little automatic, full power. You can see this is a 93 1092. And let's see if we've got the conversion on it. Yep. ASC, American Sunroof Corporation Company. They're the ones who did the conversion on them. Very, very handsome car. But I've driven them and they have a bit of cowl shake. But it's really pretty cool, especially for the Nissan enthusiast. Little 4-cylinder in there. Let's check out some of this other stuff. 87 Jeep Comanche body off restoration. Another interesting rat. This is a... Okay. So this says a 77. Could be. Because what they probably did was took the chassis and put a... No, it's definitely vintage chassis there. Just look at the straight axle up front.
Nothing.
Cool 403. Nice with the cutouts.
Offer not to do his car.
Total rat. I like it. Oh, look at the exhaust. Jumper cables over there. Nice. That's an automatic, although it's got the... Is it auto? I'm not sure. We'll check it out. I think it is, though. We'll see. Yeah, it's listed as 77 Custom Olds Ford Rat. Yeah. It's got what's left of the olds. Nose. Let's just see what we've got there. No, it is a manual. Okay. Just fitting stuff. No, it is automatic. Okay, automatic. Oh, let's check out this GMC over here. Nice 5-window. This is a 53, still at the split window. Last year for the split window. Pretty little truck. It's got some disease underneath the paint. It's been definitely, here I'll show you. You can see the way how that's kind of edged over. But you see the blems in the paint. But you know, for a truck, that's pretty cool. Again, as long as you're buying it with what you intended for, now it's not a concours truck, but that's all right. This is nothing you would be ashamed of to drive. It's got the push button door handles, new interior. Steering wheel has some cracks, but again, hey, for the right price, this is the way to go. Does not close bad at all. Let's keep going here. Oh, so many. Every time you turn around, you're going to fall in love. We're going to check out this Caddy over here. I know the Mustang, the 5.5, and the 4.42. But I want something unusual, so that's why I'm picking the Caddy. This is a 57 DeVille. Approximately $69,000 in restoration receipts. Let's see. Base price, number of produced. I'm not fussy about that. Again, it has a lot to do with production numbers are not the bottom line. It's got aftermarket air in it. It has why did they put those speakers in there? Aftermarket radio looks like that was played with, and it's got manual windows. No, power windows. Okay, there we go. Power windows, manual, vent locks, vent windows. They added the seat belts. Two-tone paint. I'm just looking at the details here. How well of a job they did. These cars are so pricey to paint. Oh, it's great. It's great. Wrong hubcaps. It's got the nice exhaust going through the bumpers, and they're still in good shape, which is a good thing. Decent, not the best bodywork. I see some wave in there, but again, this is really, all depends on what you pay for. It's got the hardtop styling, which was the de-rigger at the time. The interior's done. I cannot quite tell you for sure if that's leather or vinyl. Gives you an idea right across. Yeah, why they put the new hubcaps on? She is a striking car. Let's end it with the Mustang. All right, nice little 67 convertible. Real honest little car. I like these. $289. Our layouts, that's an automatic. We got the wider hubcaps. And let's see, C4 automatic. The beauty of the Mustang is that it could be built any which way. Nice little car, standard interior. '91 showing on the clock. Reasonable bodywork. This is what disturbs me here. And they put quite a bit into the car. Oh, power top. Let's see what we have. Restored Mustang. Okay, yeah, it shows beautifully, which it does. Working top. Nothing special over there. Okay. Now again, if it goes for 10 grand, you got yourself a real sweet cruiser. If it goes for 15, even so. For the price of a used Toyota, look what you've got. Nice little Tri-5. Let's end it over here at the 67 442. Matching numbers, frame off restoration, California car, AC, real black and red car. It's an automatic, unfortunately. Can't really see in there. They've got it locked up. Black tells all sorts of stories. The trunk does not line up quite right. Might have been played with. You can see some blems here and there. On fit, the finish looks great. I don't see any waves in the rear quarters, which is really quite impressive. Let's see. Matching numbers, correct C heads, factory rated 350 horsepower, frame off nut and bolt restoration, and anything in particular, tinted glass, deluxe front and rear seat belts, auxiliary floor mats, and drip molding, anything good. Let's see, rear defogger, air conditioning, remote, outside rear view mirror, sport console, the 442 performance, AM FM radio with power antenna, those two are rare. Let's see what she goes for. I'll list a lot of times what the cars go for. Not a bad restoration, not a bad restoration. There are some wrinkles in the left rear quarter. The alignment of the panels looks okay. I would not say it's a concours car, but it's a very nice car. You will not be disappointed with this. You will win trophies at your locals. That's not a problem. So we'll see what this goes for. Meanwhile, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Spring Carlisle auction. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.